Okay, what I wanted to tell you that from the beginning when your salesperson came over here to get the job, it was very professionally done. The way he represented the company, the way he talked to us, the way he presented himself and the company. And today, for Aldo that did the job, again from the beginning I was really impressed by the way he started the business, he did the preparation for the business, and when he was finished, I'm very, very happy with his work. So I would recommend this company. Actually, I have recommended this company to a couple of other friends already, and I think I will do the same, with the result that I have seen, and I'll be using them again and again myself.